Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today we will continue the topic importing or exporting data between CSV files and data frames. How to create a CSV file? You can create a CSV file yourself by saving data of an MS Excel file in CSV format using Save As command from File menu and selecting which option? Save As Type as CSV format. By using the Save As command, we can create the CSV files. We have to choose the Save As Type option as CSV format. Example, one CSV file is there, that is sample.csv is shown in Notepad as well as MS Excel is like this. In this Excel sheet we can see like this. Then in this Notepad window we can see like this, comma separated values. Okay, clear? Then reading from a CSV file to data frame. That means we have to read data from a CSV file to the data frame. How can we read that one? For that we can use the function read_CSV, which is the function read_CSV. You can use read_CSV function to read data from a CSV file in your data frame. The syntax is data frame object that is equal to pandas.read_CSV. Then we have to specify the file path. Where we saved our file, that file path we have to specify there. Okay. Then here one Excel sheet is there. We need this data to the data frame itself. For that we can use the syntax or statements import pandas as pd, df is equal to pd.read_CSV. Within this function symbol or within this parenthesis we have to specify the file path, print df. Then we can see the output as like this. Okay, clear? Then saved path is sample.csv. If you get file path error by single slash, then change it to double slashes. That is like this. Okay, clear? Then if we don't want the first row to be considered as column headings and want default column heading be added, no need this first row as column headings. That time we can use the header is equal to none. Then we need the default column heading. By default we will get the default values 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, for that we need the attribute header. Which is the attribute? Header. Header is the attribute. Header equal to none. The syntax is df is equal to pandas.read_CSV. Then we have to specify the file path, comma, header equal to none. That means first row is deleted from this Excel sheet or from this CSV file. Then automatically it will add the default column headings. First row means that is considered as column headings. That row will be deleted from this. Then automatically the default column headings are inserted to that. For that we can use the attribute header that is equal to none. Check this one, import pandas as pd, df is equal to pd.read_CSV, student.csv, header is equal to none. The headings, roll number, name, marks. These all headings are removed from that. Then automatically default column headings are inserted to this. Okay, clear? Then if we have first row having some default column values that we don't want as columns value, then use skip rows argument. Skip rows argument. Listen, here we inserted the default column values. We don't want that one, that column values. Then we can use which one? Skip rows argument. Which argument? Skip rows, argument or attribute. Here in the student.csv you can see the first row is 0, null, null. We don't want that one, that column values. So we can use which argument? Skip rows argument. Then we can give the column headings also by using this names attribute or argument. Header is equal to none means default values it will add. Then we need the column headings. We can use the attribute or argument as names. Names is equal to roll number, name, IP marks. Then we can see like this: roll number, name, IP marks. That is 0th row, 0 roll number, NAN, NAN. We don't want this first row. We have to delete that one. For that we can use which argument? Skip rows argument. Check this one, skip rows. Here you can see we use this skip rows argument, that is equal to 1. Then first row will be deleted from this. Here the first row is 0, null, null. That row will be deleted from this by using this skip rows argument or attribute is equal to 1. Skip rows argument is given as 1. First row is skipped from that particular data frame. Okay, clear this one? Check this program. Import pandas as pd. Df is equal to pd.read_csv. Then file path, comma, header is equal to none. Then we assigned some other column values by using this attribute or argument names, that is equal to roll number, name, IP marks. Then we use another argument or attribute, that is skip rows is equal to 1. From this CSV file we can identify 0, null, null as the first row. That row will be deleted from this by using this skip rows is equal to 1 attribute or argument. Then check the output: roll number, name, IP marks. Then the remaining all values we can see. Clear? Clear this one? The next one, df is equal to pandas.read_csv, file path, names is equal to sequence containing column names. We already discussed. Skip rows is equal to n. This also we discussed. Skip rows argument can also take list of row numbers. List of row numbers also it will take. Which argument? Skip rows argument or attribute. Or a row number to skipped rows from the beginning. List of row numbers also we can specify in the skip rows argument or attribute. Consider this one. Import pandas as pd. Df is equal to pd.read_csv. Then file path. Header is equal to none. Names is equal to this one. Skip rows is equal to, within the square bracket we specified the 0, 3. So from this we can identify the 0th row and 3rd row will be deleted from this data frame. 0th row and 3rd row will be deleted from this data frame. Okay, clear? Okay children, these all are easy topics. Go through the syntax, how to create a CSV file, then how to read data from a CSV file to the data frame. Just go through that syntax and programs. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.